Step 2 to 4, Initial Consultation, Contract and Commitment, Application Fee Settlement and Documentation Handover. A step-by-step tutorial from the assessment to the actual application. After answering the assessment form and providing your contact details, here are the following steps that you should expect. Step 2, Initial Consultation. Program Briefing and Assessment. During the call, your consultant will explain our available programs and provide essential details. Offer valuable insights regarding studying in Japan. Conduct an initial assessment of your background and Japanese language proficiency. Step 3, Contract and Commitment. Contract issuance. Should you decide to proceed with a program, your consultant will send you the program contract. This contract will detail all terms, conditions, responsibilities, and financial obligations. Review and signature. You must review the contract thoroughly. Once you agree with all indicated terms, you are required to sign the contract and return the signed copy to your consultant. Step 4, Application Fee Settlement and Documentation Handover. Determine applicable fee. Based on the assessment in Step 2, the following application fee will apply based on your category. 42,500 pesos, Package A. For students without a Japanese background, includes 170 hours of online class. 20,000 pesos, Package B. For applicants with a JLPT level and a Nihongo background, completed 150 hours from another Japanese language school and passed the Jellyfish assessment test. Settle application fee. Upon receiving the signed contract, you must settle the application fee via bank transfer, GCash, or PayPal. It must be settled within 7 days upon signing the contract. Transition to documentation. Once the application fee is confirmed, your consultant will endorse you to our documentation team. This team will guide you on the specific documents required for the application of your certificate of eligibility and student visa.